In your U-Install It delivery, you will receive a Blum Tip-On push catch packet, a screw-on adapter plate and cover, and screws. Firstly, mark out the location of the push catch on your cabinet. For a double door cabinet, use a square ruler to mark the location, approximately 25mm from the centre of the doors. For a single door cabinet, this will be approximately 25mm from the inner edge of the cabinet on the opposite side to the hinges. Mark 20mm back from the front of the cabinet on the locations you have marked. This gives you the location of the front screw on the adapter plate. Using your markers, install the adapter plates using the supplied screws. The adapter plate has arrows which point to the front of the cabinet. Click the adapter plate cover into place with the ridges at the back and the logo at the front. Slide the push catch mechanism into the adapter plate. Place the metal magnetic pad against the push catch and remove the tape, revealing the sticky side facing out. Close the door and the magnet will stick to the inside of your door, aligned with the push catch.